Hey, what's going on, y'all? Today's video, I'm gonna talk about how I like to take apart lowrider cylinders. So I'm mic'd up, I got my body mount on, I'm gonna get my tripod set up. That way I can really show y'all and get y'all up close and personal, especially from like my point of view of what I'm seeing and how I'm doing it. That way you really get a good understanding of how to take your cylinders apart. It's not hard, but just like anything else, having the correct tools, definitely key. First of all, excuse the garage. Constantly working, so I haven't had a chance to really clean it, but we gotta get some work done, and that's why it looks the way it looks now. But once I get all this done, I'm gonna start cleaning up. So for this project, you don't need much. Crescent wrench, pipe wrench. This is an offset pipe wrench, in case anybody's wondering why it looks different than a normal pipe wrench. And then a slide hammer. Slide hammer is definitely key to getting the shaft out of the casing. And the vise. You don't need this, but it definitely comes in handy. So to start, I like to wrap a rag around the cylinder itself to try to protect it. Note that the downfall that when you do put the rag around the cylinder, it does tend to slip sometimes because the teeth aren't able to really grab as best, but you can still make it work. Just give it a good crank. Next thing, get your fittings off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put this under here to try to catch whatever residual fluid there may be. And we're going to go ahead and slide the cup off. And put this back in the vise. Clamp her down. Next thing, if these aren't already loose, go ahead and get your pipe wrench and try to loosen it up. Be careful on the shaft here. You don't want to scar that up. Try to prevent that. And then go ahead and just set this to the side. Set it on a rag. Try to keep it clean. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to get this shaft collar off. That's what the pipe wrench is for. Another piece of the puzzle of the pipe wrench. Give it a good wipe down. Try to clean everything off. Give that a good turn. They may be tight. They might not be tight. I think they should be tight. You don't want this stuff blowing apart in your car. That's going to cause headache. Set that to the side. Also, now we're left with just cylinder casing, the shaft, the brass sleeve. I think that's what you call that. This is where your slide hammer is going to come into play. I do not like to grab any of this. You try to not scar that up as much as you can. So I go ahead and I grab a bolt. The threads inside of here perfectly. Cool, get that threaded in. We grab our slide hammer. We just clamp it down. Try to get it on there real nice. Get it clamped down. Then you just slide and hammer. Now watch, you'll see it come out. See it sliding right out? That makes nice, easy work of this. Watch as I use the slide hammer to just slide this, just hammer on it and slide this shaft out. Of course. See that? You could probably pull it by hand now at this point. We're going to just keep using the slide hammer because that's what it's for. Boom, just like that. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you take your lowrider cylinder apart. Make sure you keep this in a safe place where it's not collecting dirt, grime. You don't want to get this dirty. Try to keep it on a rag. Just throw it to the side. Try to keep it from getting all scarred up and everything. And that's that. Super simple, super easy. I'm going to continue to try to drop these videos more. Instead of making one long video, I'm going to try to just make a couple, take a subject and just break it up in a couple small videos. I know everybody's time. Nobody wants to sit and watch a long video. So next video, I'll teach you how to change the seals on these. And then the video after that, I'll teach you how to put it back together. Super simple process. Not too hard. So if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. like, comment, subscribe. Please share. Shares go a long way with these videos. Well, until the next video, peace.